हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल। इस वीडियो में डिस्कस करेंगे टॉप 100 इकोनॉमिक्स वन लाइनर क्वेश्चंस जो आने वाले सभी एग्जाम के लिए मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट है। तो वीडियो आपको एंड तक देखनी है। इस वीडियो में हम सभी टॉप सिलेक्टेड क्वेश्चंस डिस्कस करेंगे। वीडियो के एंड में होगा आपका मॉक टेस्ट जिसमें आपको टॉप 10 एमसीक्यूज के आंसर करने हैं। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज which is called bankers of bank. Answer: Reserve Bank of India. Second, when did India's population touch 100 crore? Answer: May 2000. Who is called the father of Green Revolution? Answer: M.S. Swaminathan. Midday meal scheme was launched in the year. Answer: 1995. Reserve Bank of India was established in 1st April 1935. When was Reserve Bank of India nationalized? Answer: 1st Jan 1949. Which state of India has the largest area? Answer: Rajasthan. Niti Aayog replaced Planning Commission in the year. Answer is 2015. Where first Agriculture University of India was established? Answer: Pantnagar. Inflation is caused by? Answer: increase in money supply. Economic Survey of India is published by Ministry of Finance. Who is the current Finance Minister of India? Answer: Nirmala Sitharaman. Who was the chairman of First Finance Commission? Answer: K.C. Neogi. Who is the current Finance Secretary of India? Answer: Ajay Seth. Food Corporation of India or FCI set up in? Answer: 14th Jan 1965. SEBI is a? Answer: statutory body. Where is the Central Rice Research Institute located? Answer: Cuttack. How many digits are there in CIBIL score? Answer: 3 digits. World Trade Organization or WTO formed in? Answer: 1st January 1995. Courier service comes under which sector? Answer: tertiary sector. World Development Report published by? Answer: World Bank or WB. World Bank was established in the year July 1944. NABARD was established in the year 12th July 1982. Value added tax or VAT was introduced in 1st April 2005. Who is the writer of Wealth of Nation? Answer: Adam Smith. The book Planned Economy for India written by M. Vishwesvaraya. Who wrote the book Economic History of India? Answer: R.C. Dutt. When was the Securities Transaction Tax introduced in India? Answer: 2004. GST was implemented in India on 1st July 2017. Monopoly means? Answer: a single supplier. World Economic Outlook report is published by? Answer: IMF. Where is the headquarter of IMF located? Answer: Washington DC, USA. Who formulated fiscal policy in India? Answer: Ministry of Finance. Paper currency was first started in India. Answer: 1861. When the first economic survey was presented in India? Answer 1950-51. Who is the first Indian governor of RBI? Answer C.D. Deshmukh. Nifty is associated with National Stock Exchange. Sensex is associated with Bombay Stock Exchange. Bull and bear are related to which commercial activity? Answer stock market. Cheap money means low rate of interest. Which one is the oldest stock exchange in India, Asia? Answer BSE. First 5-year plan started in 1951 to 1956. Second 5-year plan was started in 1956 to 1961. Rolling plan 1978 to 1980. Where is the headquarters of RBI located? Answer Mumbai. What is the first fixed capital bank in India? Answer Bank of Hindustan. The Indian Institute of Foreign Trade located in New Delhi. The National Development Council formed in 1952. Full form of BHIM. Answer Bharat Interface for Money. Full form of CRR, Cash Reserve Ratio. Full form of FEMA, Foreign Exchange Management Act. Full form of FERA. Answer is Foreign Exchange Regulating Act. Full form of NSDL, National Securities Depository Limited. Full form of EPFO. Answer Employees Provident Fund Organization. Full form of NEFT, National Electronic Funds Transfer. Full form of PPC. Answer is Production Possibility Curve. Full form of TFC. Answer Total Fixed Cost. Full form of GDP, Gross Domestic Product. Full form of PSU, Public Sector Undertaking. Full form of BOP. Answer is Balance of Payment. Full form of GDP MP, Gross Domestic Product at Market Price. Full form of GDPFC, Gross Domestic Product at Factor Cost. Full form of RTGS, Real Time Gross Settlement. Full form of IFSC, Indian Financial System Code. Full form of ATM, Automated Teller Machine. Full form of OCR, Optical Character Recognition. Full form of PWD, Public Works Department. Full form of IMF. Answer is International Monetary Fund. When did India became a member of the International Monetary Fund? Answer 1945. Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority was formed in 23rd August 2003. Terms Manda and Teja are related to which sector? Answer is share market. Who has the sole authority to issue paper currency in India? Answer Reserve Bank of India or RBI. Money transfer through mobile is called Immediate Payment Service or IMPS. The rate at which RBI gives short-term loan to commercial bank is called repo rate. HRIDAY, और हृदय स्कीम launched by Urban Development Ministry aims to? Answer is development of heritage sites. The SLR is determined by the RBI. SLR की फुल फॉर्म क्या है? आंसर इज स्टैट्यूटरी लिक्विडिटी रेशियो. When was the new economic policy or NEP introduced in India? Answer 24th July 1991. Who is called the father of Indian economy? Answer Mahadev Govind Ranade. In which country zero-based budgeting was used for the first time? Answer USA. Human Development Index prepared by United Nations Development Program or UNDP. Which bank was earlier called Imperial Bank of India? Answer SBI or State Bank of India. Which is the largest public sector commercial bank in India at present? Answer SBI, State Bank of India. The lead bank scheme was introduced by the Reserve Bank of India in the year 1969. Where is the headquarters of the Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank or AIIB located? Answer Beijing, China. Where is the Indian Sugarcane Research Institute situated? Answer Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. Which body in India does the regulation of insurance sector? Answer IRDA or Insurance Regulatory Development Authority. Next, the National Investment and Infrastructure Fund or NIIF was established by the Government of India in 2015. Which institutions developed the Unified Payment Interface or UPI in India? Answer is National Payment Corporation of India or we can say NPCI. Who is known as the father of the White Revolution in India? Answer Dr. Verghese Kurien. What is repo rate? Answer it is a rate at which RBI buys government securities from banks. The book Planning Economic for India was written by? Answer M. Vishwesvaraya. The concept of 5-year plan was introduced by Jawaharlal Nehru. The Government of India has established Niti Aayog to replace the Planning Commission. National Development Council or NDC was constituted in the year 6th August 1952. In 1952, first meeting of National Development Council was chaired by Jawaharlal Nehru. Where is the Forest Reserve Institute of India located? Answer Dehradun, Uttarakhand. The Planning Commission of India was established in the year 5th March 1950. Who was the first chairman of Planning Commission of India? Answer Jawaharlal Nehru. The Planning Commission has been abolished by the Prime Minister. And last question is, the first census in India during the British period was held during the tenure of Lord Mayo. Now अब आपका होगा मॉक टेस्ट जिसमें हम टोटल 10 MCQs डिस्कस करेंगे. तो सभी के आंसर आपको कमेंट सेक्शन में बताना है. पहला देखिए, हु इज कॉल्ड द फादर ऑफ व्हाइट रेवोल्यूशन इन इंडिया? आंसर सी डॉक्टर वर्गीस क्यूरिन। सेकेंड, फर्स्ट सेंसस इन इंडिया वॉज कंडक्टेड इन द ईयर। आंसर ए 1872। एशियन इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर इन्वेस्टमेंट बैंक headquarter is located in which city? Answer C Beijing। Fourth, where was the first agriculture university of India established? Answer B Pantnagar। Fifth, Dash was the chairman of the first Finance Commission of India। Answer K.C. Neogi। Economic history of India was written by Answer B R.C. Dutt। Next, goods and service tax was implemented in India from Answer 1st July 2017। Next, who among the following was the first Indian governor of the Reserve Bank of India or RBI? Answer C C.D. Deshmukh। Next, what is the aim of Hriday scheme? Answer C conserve and develop heritage sites। Last, the period of first 5-year plan was Answer D 1951 to 1956। तो आपने आउट ऑफ 10 कितना स्कोर किया है, अपना स्कोर कमेंट सेक्शन में लिख के बताइए। वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो लाइक कर दीजिए, शेयर कर दीजिए। चैनल पे नए हैं तो सब्सक्राइब किए बगैर मत जाइएगा ताकि आने वाली वीडियोस की नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिलती रहे। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग।